practice cube joint, corner joints over here. Still need a lot of practice on it. Not bad, you know, pretty steady, good consistency, shiny coating on it. But as you can see, some of them are still pretty hot, a little shaky on some, and there's one I think that's a little cold. I gotta work on the joints, some fish eyes as you can see, but other than that, not bad, pretty decent I think for a practice. Right there, the joint connected, but you can see I didn't really end it off well. This one here is decent, connected all the way through 3 corners. That one's pretty decent. This is a nice one here, nice lead. I think this one right here was a little hot. This one is a little shaky. This one's decent. Comments what you guys think. Obviously I still need a lot of practice. I've been welding professionally for about a year now, a year and 3 months, did 2 years of schooling. Again, still need a lot of practice, but not bad, pretty decent for a practice little project here. Dice cube 8-inch material with a 3/32 filler rod, aluminum, 53/56. Comments and advice.